afternoon. This is your favorite math teacher, aka Math Tutorial, and you can follow me on YouTube channel and subscribe for more contents. Now today we'll be looking at plane geometry 2 with a subtopic circle theory. And circle theory is one of the most important or crucial topics in commerce so far as the West Africa examination is concerned. Almost every year, a person is being drawn from this one topic, and it's one of the easiest topics in commerce as well. I'm going to facilitate you, and you will get everything easy. Now, first of all, before we start, let's draw a circle and name the parts. And it's one of the most important things in circle theory. So, as you know, this is our circle, and we have our diameter, and that divides the circle into two equal parts. We also have another line that also divides the circle, but not into two equal parts, but it divides the circle into segments. Are you okay? Yeah. So we have a line dividing the circle into segments, and as you can see, this is our diameter. So with the diameter, with a circle with a center, so you have a center here. Are you okay? So let's name the center to be O, and let's name the diameter to. So the diameter with the ends labeled what? A what? B. And as you already know, from the center to any part of the circle is called a radius. From the center to any part of the what? Circle is called what? A radius. So from here, let's name this one M N. So this is the chord. So from the chord you can see that A line AB is a diameter. And OA, like OA, so it's called what? Is like OA is the same as like what? OB, because from the center to any part of the circle is called what? A radius. So you can see that like OA is also equal to like what? OB. This is also called a radius. Or in plural form is called a radii. Now, the line that also divides the circle. So this one is the diameter. Then this one is the what? Radius. Then we also have our segments. The chord. The line that divides the circle into what? Segments. It's called what? A chord. So as you can see, this line is dividing the circle, but not into two equal parts. So this one is called a chord. And as you can see, that line that divides the circle, not into two equal parts, this is the chord. Part is bigger, and the part also is what? Smaller. So the smaller one is called a minor. So let's name here to be X. So you can see that S is called a minor sector. Then the bigger part, so let's name the whole of this side to be, let's say, Y. And the Y also is called a major sector. Okay. Now with this idea, it's going to help us, or this thing is going to facilitate, or it's going to assist us to understand the concept of what? The circle what? Theory. Now we move on to the properties. We move on to the what? Properties. So let's start with the property 1. So somebody may ask, what about this one? This is called a sector. A sector. So this is called the minor sector, and the other one is called what? The major what? Sector. Are you okay? Now, let's start with the properties. So if we have to start with the properties, So property 1. Property 1 says, so property 1 is saying that when you have a circle with a chord and it's forming an angle, so we said when an angle that forms at the angle that forms from what the chord to any part of the circles are what? Equal. So angles form from what? The chord to any part of the what? Circles are what? Equal. So when we have a chord like this, and we have the angle that is formed on the what? Circumference, or the angle that subtends from the chord to any part of the what? Circumference are what? Equal. So when you have something like this, so we have one triangle like this, and you have another triangle from the same chord. So what is the chord? This is our chord. And these two triangles are what? Subtending from the what? The same chord. And forming an angle on the what? Circumference, or at the what? Circumference. At the what? Circumference. We said, since these two triangles are all forming from the same what? Chord, and subtending an angle at the circumference, those angles are what? Equal. So when you say, when you have an angle A here, and let's say when you have angle B, since this angle, so let's say A, B, C, D. Therefore, we can say that angle A, D, B is equal to angle A, C, B. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that the angle D here is equal to the angle what? C. Then, let's take one example on this. So let's take example on this. So, find alpha. Find alpha when you have to find alpha. So we have a question on the board which is asking us to find what? Alpha. And now what the property says that whenever we have an angle subtending at the circumference from the same chord, an angle was subtending at the circumference from the same chord, the angles that are forming or that are subtending on those ones, circles are what? Equal. So from here you can say that the angle, so solution, angle MPN is equal to angle what? MON. But what is the angle? OPN, MPN. So the angle MPN. So angle MPN is what? 55. Which is 55. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that since angle MPN is equal to what? Angle MON. Therefore, we can say that the angle MON is also equal to what? 55 degrees. Now, what is the alpha? Alpha. So we see, as you can see, MON, and O is at the middle, so then alpha here is what? 55. So therefore, you can say that alpha is equal to what? 55 degrees. Now, this is what the first property is. Now, we move on to the second property. We move on to the second property. So property 2. But what are the properties say? The properties 2 or the second property says, if I have something like this, what the property 2 is saying that the angles that is formed at the center of the circle is twice the angle formed at the what? Circumference. Or the angle that is obtained the angle from the center of the circle is twice the angles obtained at the what? Circumference. So for instance, when you have x here is going to what? Twice x. So for instance, you can therefore say that angle CAB is equal to twice the angle forming at the what? Center of that what? Circle, IOP. So this is going to be angle 2 times C angle COB. So let's take an example of this and solve. Let's take an example. Quick example. So for instance, find angle beta. So we have a question like this. They say we should find angle what? Beta. We should find angle beta. And what the rule is saying is that the angle formed at the center of the circle is twice the angle formed that's obtained at the circumference of that same what? Circle. So for instance, how are we going to solve this? So from here, we know that the angle formed here is twice the angle formed at the what? Center of the circle. The angle is sustaining at the circumference is twice the angle that is formed at the what? Center of that circle. So we can therefore say that angle solution. Let me put the solution here. Angle MON is equal to twice the angle that is obtained at the what? Circumference. So which is going to be 2. So it's going to be 2 times angle MBN. So what is angle MON? MON is what? The angle at 10 degrees. This is twice the angles obtained at the what? Circumference. Which is twice angle MBN. So which we don't know, which is beta we are looking for. So which is 2 times the angle forming at the what? The circumference. So we want angle what? MBN, not 2MBN. So what we do? We divide both the coefficient of the angle, which is 2. So therefore, angle MBN is equal to 55 degrees. And therefore, we know that angle MBN is also beta. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that our beta is equal to 55 degrees.